What is up YouTube? Welcome back to technoboy, and in today's video I'm gonna unbox this one LCD projector, and this is from Epson and the model number is EB-U05. So that's the packing, and you can see the month year of import January 2020, and that's the price. It's a 3999, and that's the MRP, and I got this for that price only. A few months back it was much lesser than this, like 56,000, but now it's I had to buy at this price because of the lockdown, because of the demand, I guess. So that's it, and there's a cargo sticker, I guess, and that's the model number, product, that's the serial number. And on this side you can see this from Aprio Retail Private Limited. I bought this from the seller, and here you can see HDMI 3 LCD. So let's quickly open this thing, and the problem is I can see here the seal tape. There are two tapes I can see, one on another. I don't know if this is a seal product or it has been opened before. So let's see what's inside of it, then I can understand. So this is the inside of this thing, and what is this thing? Safety wear attachment. I don't know what is this for. Some heavyweight wear with this lock type of thing. I'm gonna see it later. And what else is there? This is the remote control. You can see a lot of buttons are there. And what else do we get? This is the, what is this? I don't know. Some kind of socket or wall mount thing like that. And this is a VGA cable. This is the power cord. And that's the USB. Okay, Wi-Fi. So you get USB Wi-Fi dongle here. That's a nice thing. What else is there? Two batteries for the remote control. And now let's check the papers here. There's some instructions are there in different languages. And what is this? This is the warranty card. That's the CD here. Probably that's the user manual for all these models here. Okay, so a lot of papers are there inside of it. Now let's check this one. Okay, so this is the wireless LAN unit for that wireless dongle. That thing. So all details are here, how to connect it, use it, and all the stuff. And here is the USB cable here. Now let's this thing out of the box. Nothing else in the box. So get a nice carry case here, and the product is inside. So there it is. You can see that's the lens part, and That's the cover for it. That's nice. And that's for zoom, I guess, and that's for the focusing, and that's the keystone correction and the horizontal keystone correction, and that's the vertical keystone correction, and that's the chamber for the lamp, and there is a cooling outlet, I guess. There's a stand here. That's the sensor for the remote control, and here that's the wall mount option, and at the bottom you can see the model here, Epson LED Projector EB-U05 and 100 to 240 volt, 50-60 Hertz, 3.3 to 1.4A. That's ampere. That's ampere, I guess. So that's it. And at the back, you can see that's the socket for power cord, and that's the USB port, and that's another USB. I forgot the port name. The cord hasn't given with this. You can see that's the one side. It's going to connect here, and the other side, the USB, is going to connect to the PC or laptop. I like that. That's the VGA port, and that's the RCA port for video and to audio, and that's the sensor for remote, and that's to the HDMI. All these ports are useless these days, and also for me, I'm going to use one HDMI only to connect to my PC, and that's the speaker here. That's also useless. I'm not going to use that. So that's it. And on this side, that's the inlet part, and you can move this cover like this, and then pull this thing up. That's the dust pad. The air goes inside through this pad, and it will catch all the dust. Then you can clean it and then put it back. That's a very nice thing. So that's why the inside of this projector will remain clean, or you can say less dirty, like that. So that's a nice thing. So that's pretty much all of it, and later I'm gonna check it, test it, and then gonna give you a demo of this thing. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.